Namaskar. Greetings from SGT University. I am Dr. Mandeep Garewal, Dean, Faculty of Dental Sciences. In the current scenario of COVID-19, preventing the spread of infection is paramount, whether it is in the general population or in the healthcare professionals. Dentists fall in a high-risk category. Therefore, use of adequate personal protective equipment, which includes coveralls, face masks, face shield, eye protection, amongst other things, is of extreme importance. Dentists around the world are moving towards magnification while providing dental care, and loupes are the most common tool used for the same. Today I'll demonstrate a simple modification that I've done that will allow you to use a magnification as well as give you adequate protection. These safety glasses I procured from a very popular online portal, and these glasses have a seal all around it, have these vents to prevent fogging, and what we've done is I've drilled 2 holes right above the nose bridge and used the loops of my flip-up loops, taken out these 2 screws and attached them to these safety glasses. Now this is possible for flip-up loops because there's an attachment of the flip-up loop to the frame. If you're using through the lens loop, you'll probably have to make 2 holes in your safety glasses to accommodate your through the lens loops. So this is what I've done. You have the frame attached to the safety glasses, screwed on, and it can act like a regular flip-up. When I put these on, it will create a nice tight seal around my eyes, preventing any sweat from coming inside. It will also prevent fogging due to the breathing into these N95s and triple ply masks. It will prevent fogging because of the vents, and I will be able to work adequately. It is also an advantage for people who wear specs. So when you put your specs on, you will be able to use these on top of your specs. Again, there is a tight seal, so nothing is going to trickle through, and there will be no fogging inside the safety glasses. Now, when we wear our N95s, one of the major concerns is fogging. So if you wear your N95 without the safety glasses, you wear your 3-ply mask on top of this, and when you breathe, I can see the fogging happening inside my specs. But when I do the same thing with these safety glasses, when I breathe, I can't see any fogging inside the safety glasses or inside my specs. So this way, you are completely protected. Now on top of that, if you put your face shield on for more protection, this way you are completely covered, completely protected. Your eyes are sealed, your mouth is sealed, there's a coverall hood that comes on top, and everything, and the dentist is completely protected. I hope this tip is of help in your clinical practice. Thanks for watching.